Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video of Manzil. So today I have come up with some important vocabulary words. Let's begin. The first one is acknowledge, which is a verb which means accept or admit the existence or truth of, यानी कि स्वीकार करना. Next is inhalation, which is a noun which means the action of inhaling or breathing in, सांस लेना और सांस खींचना. Next is outbreaks, which is a noun which means a sudden occurrence of disease or war, that means prakop. Next is choir, which is a noun which means a group of people who sing together, that is gayak mandli. Next is bewildering, which is an adjective which means confusing or perplexing, which means hakka bakka karne wala. Next is precautionary, which is an adjective which means carried out as a precaution, preventive, that is savdhanta puran. Next is refute, which is a verb which means to prove a statement, opinion or belief to be wrong or false, that is khandan karna or jhootha ठहराना. Next one is asymptotic, which is an adjective which means showing no symptoms of a particular disease, that is lakshanheen. Next is unambiguous, which is an adjective which means expressed in a way that makes it completely clear what is meant, which means spasht. Next is disingenuous, which is an adjective which means lacking in frankness or sincerity. Next one is din, which is a noun which means a loud, unpleasant and prolonged noise, that is shor or kolahal. Next is amendment, which is a noun which means an improvement or correction और संशोधन. किसी भी चीज़ में इम्प्रूवमेंट करने को अमेंडमेंट कहा जाता है. जैसे कि आपको पता ही है कि हमारे जो आर्टिकल्स हैं कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में, उनमें कोई भी बदलाव आता है तो उसको क्या बोला जाता है कि अमेंडमेंट आई है उसमें, तो उसी को बोला जाता है अमेंडमेंट्स, यानी कि एन इम्प्रूवमेंट और करेक्शन. Next is skullduggery, which is a noun which means underhand, unscrupulous or dishonest behavior or activities, that is chalbazi. Next is sacrosanct, which is an adjective which means regarded as too important to be changed or interfered with. Next is chaos, which is a noun which means complete disorder and confusion, that is avyavastha, uthal puthal hona. Next one is unsavoury, which is an adjective which means objectionable or distasteful or aruchikar. Next is decorum, which is a noun which means behaviour that is controlled, calm and polite, shishtachar. And the last one is flat out, which is a phrase which means without hesitation or reservation or shigharta se. So that's all for today. All the words and phrases are very important in this video. Hope so you have liked this video and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you so much.